Hello everyone, myself Dr. Devendraya, working as a lecturer in Veerashaiva Degree College. Today we discuss the concept errors and approximation. First let us see some of the definitions. Approximate number. So a number which is not exact number but slightly differs from its exact value is called an approximate number. See the definition. So number is not a exact number, slightly differs from its exact value is called approximate number. For example, 1 by 3 approximately equals to 0.3333 etc. 2 by 3 is equivalent to 0.667. That means this value is not a exact number. So in terms of approximate value, we write the value as 0.667. Like that, if we observe the exponential value e, and its value will be 2.71828. So while finding the approximate values of a number correct to desired places of decimal, we generally employ the rounding of approximation. So then let us see what is rounding of approximation. For rounding of the given value, we consider a procedure as follows. The last retained digit is retained as it is if its next digit is less than 5. So observe the word retained. Digit is retained, that is the last retained digit is retained as it is if its next digit is less than 5, and it is increased by 1 if it is greater than 5. The meaning of the above sentences is, so observe this example 0.3742. So here observe the word we retain as it is if its next digit is less than 5. So observe the word, so 42 is less than 5, therefore we used to consider 0.374. Now so observe the next one, 0.4786. so in this case it is increased by 1 when it is greater than 5. So therefore 86 can be considered as 0.479 because of the reason greater than 5. So this is the method how do we consider when the digit is less than 5 and when the digit is greater than 5. So next, if the discording digit, that is next to last retained digit, is exactly 5. We have observed the case of less than 5, greater than 5, now exactly 5, then we add 1 to the previous digit if it is odd and retain it is if it is even or 0. So observe the word. So if the discording digit is exactly 5, then we add to the previous digit if it is odd and retain it is if it is even or 0. For example, 2.3435 is equivalent to 2.344 because so of the number which is odd. In this case 2.3425 can be considered as 2.342. The reason is we add 1 to the previous digit if it is odd, and retain it is if it is even or 0. That's why in these examples, so we are writing the value as 2.344 and 2.342. Now let us observe the concept of errors. So the definition of error is, if n is a number and NA is its approximate value. See the definition, n is a number and NA is its approximate value, then the difference n minus NA is called the error. This is denoted by delta n RE or EN. So what is the definition of error is? Error is nothing but E, we denote error by E. So exact number, that is actual value of n minus approximate value of n is nothing but an error. That is the definition of error. Actual value of n minus approximate value of n is considered as the definition of error. Let us see the types of errors. So under types of errors, so we observe absolute error. So the definition of absolute error is, the absolute value of the error E is called the absolute error and is denoted by EA. Thus absolute error, which is equals to EA stands for absolute error, which is equals to modulus of E, that is modulus of n minus NA. So what is n here? N is nothing but actual value, and what is NA? NA is nothing but approximate value. So taking the actual value of n and approximate value of n under modulus, that is nothing but absolute error. So we define the term absolute error in this format. The absolute value of the error E is called the absolute error and it is denoted by EA. Thus absolute error EA is equals to modulus of E, which is equals to modulus of n minus NA. Now so let us observe the second definition, relative error. The ratio of the absolute error and modulus of n is called the relative error and it is denoted by ER. ER stands for relative error. Thus relative error is equals to ER. What is actually its definition? Absolute error divided by modulus of n. That is, the definition of absolute error is modulus of n minus NA divided by modulus of n, which is equals to modulus of E divided by modulus of n. So remember the definition of relative error. We define the term relative error as modulus of n minus NA divided by modulus of n. Now let us see the third definition, percentage error. The relative error multiplied by 100 is called the percentage error and it is denoted by EP. Thus percentage error is equals to 100 into modulus of n minus NA divided by modulus of n. Any positive decimal number, exact or approximate, can be expressed as n is equals to alpha 1 into 10 to the power m plus alpha 2 into 10 to the power m minus n plus alpha 3 into 10 to the power m minus 2, etc. Like that we can write alpha n into 10 to the power m minus n plus n, etc. Where alpha I are digits constituting the number and m is the top digit in the number n. So we have defined the definition of error. Error is nothing but the difference n minus NA. What is n? Actual value of n minus approximate value of n. Similarly, under types of errors we have three types. Absolute error. What is the meaning of absolute? modulus of n minus na, okay, is nothing but absolute error. What is the definition of relative error? Relative error is nothing but so EA divided by modulus of n, that is modulus of n minus na divided by modulus of n. Absolute error divided by modulus of n is nothing but what? Relative error. Now the definition of percentage error is 100 into relative error, that is n minus of na divided by modulus of n. So ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎರರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎ. ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎರರ್. ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎರರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಎರರ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಎರರ್ಗೆ 100 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಎರರ್.